freshwater season. First day.
What is it today, the 30th?
Yeah, it's November 30th. And we just caught a 2-pound rainbow. Already 5 minutes of fishing?
Intro. Hey guys, Wild Element.
Nah.
This is just talk, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't even know, dude. Well, it's that time of year again. Standing on frozen lakes trying to catch fish. Went whitetail hunting this morning. Almost shot the smallest 2-point ever. Didn't give me enough time though, so no meat. But I've been here for 5 minutes and we already caught one rainbow, so I'd say it's pretty good. Somebody else has been here too.
Yeah, there's blood here.
Left a nice picture in the snow.
Oh my gosh. Classic.
Yeah, super classic. You know, it's super warm out. The wind is a little cold when it gets going. It's giving my fly a little action though.
My hands are...
You get them wet.
I know. Oh, and a bite. Oh, shit.
You missed.
Come back.
He's gonna get mine now.
Oh,
come on.
It was a little guy, dude. I could feel. You see that? He's barely taking my bobber under. You didn't get my shrimp though, so maybe you did.
Maybe. Oh, I just had a touch. Might be Brookie's.
Yeah.
He's on it.
They're coming through. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Rainbow and a Brookie.
You got that on camera?
Yeah, I think so.
Nice.
Better step your game up, brother.
Oh, dude, I'm working on it. We'll get one.
That's what it was. Same thing for me though. He like barely touched it.
Go cranking my drag down so I Bass Pro.
Oh, you got a Bass Pro.
All right. We're getting some action here. I'm happy with this. This is pretty productive. That's like 3 fish on now, and we haven't even fished for 15 minutes.
Hasn't even been 10 minutes, I don't think. Every time I fish this lake, it's been exactly like this. Like, the brookies come in, you catch a bunch of little brook trout, and then they disappear.
Is that a brook trout or a rainbow?
That was a brookie.
Oh, yeah. It's hard to tell with the sunglasses. I'm covered in snow. I wanted to make sure that fish had it. He kind of had it, but didn't snag him. Must have like the head of the jig.
Mine was like just, he had his mouth on it for a bit. Like, it's definitely been around a fair amount.
Where's my chair? Oh, getting bites. Oh yeah.
Wait.
There he is. Get him. Oh, we got him this time. Pulling up the weeds with him.
Rainbow. Oh, it's a brookie. Oh, it's a brookie.
Look at that. Little brookie. Should I get it in front of the cam?
Maybe, yeah. Pretty fish.
This is a pretty fish.
Oh, I'm on one already.
Oh.
Oh, oh, double. Oh, it's a little rainbow.
Yeah. Awesome, dude. This is like the same size of fish, but a rainbow?
Yeah. Oh, come on. Chill.
Man, this is sick. All right, into the drink. Let's get some more nice fish. Dude, we're getting nice fish, too. This is awesome. I'm stoked on
That first one I caught was like
that was a good one. Yeah.
Double. It was like close to 2 pounds roughly. But you catch a lot of small fish in this lake.
I brought up some weeds with that brook trout.
Yeah, we're probably sitting in a pocket of them.
I want to get a good rainbow, like a 4-pounder would be crazy.
Man, we can go to the lake down the road and go see what happens there.
I'm worried though if we move, it's gonna suck, and it's like
Oh.
not a lot of daylight.
Oh, what
Kev,
just? No, I think it was just the wind.
They're coming through in little pockets for sure.
Oh yeah, if you have the tent up, dude, we've sat here before. There'll be like 10 fish will come in all at one time.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Then it's just get your line back down as fast as you can to get another one, or you like pull it away from the little ones trying to get. Oh, I just freaking
dude.
wasn't paying attention.
No, yeah, there you go.
Oh, it's a good one.
Oh! Nice.
For it.
That was fire. That's a good fish. That's a good rainbow.
Yeah.
That was sick.
Fuck, is it cool when you get your hands wet?
Oh, dude, super cool. So I said couple hours, and if fishing's good, couple hours is all you need.
Yeah. Man, he smashed
He
that.
did smash it. He came back twice.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, perfect.
Well, I'm going 2 out of this one so far, so I'm feeling okay about it.
I feel like I may not be in the line of the traveling fish. It's been 20 minutes in this hole already. I haven't touched another fish.
Better move back. You'll drop it in the other hole and you'll get a bite right away. I wouldn't even be surprised.
Probably. I'm roughly a foot off the bottom now.
I'm just gonna fish the exact same depth out of that hole because it's like the same spot.
Yeah. Did you move the camera?
Yep.
Can you see where I'm standing or no?
Yeah, I think so.
Or am I cut off?
I think you said something. Your head is cut off. That's it. Okay, that's perfect. But you can see the hole's good, so that's cool.
Yeah. That's what counts. Gotta see that bobber drop. Crop it and zoom in. Slow mo.
Epic music.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Codfish. Oh.
Ooh. There we go. Dude, he took it on the jig. I'm not bonking him. Another fish.
Rookie.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, this is gonna suck, dude. I just got my hands warm again.
Yeah. Dry them off. It'd actually be good to change lakes too, because then the hands will get toasty again. Right now, they're probably just looking for anything's hanging in their face.
This is a good first day of ice fishing so far.
Dude,
What?
you're on.
Oh, no, I pulled it out of his mouth.
You're not paying attention.
Dude, I wasn't.
He was like bobbing big time. It was probably a brookie.
Yeah, dude, you didn't get my shrimp. Damn. Got him.
Oh, right
Got
away.
him.
Oh.
Smashed him. As soon as I dropped it down.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it was a nice rainbow.
Big one?
Yeah. Forced him a little hard. He bent my hook.
No way.
Yeah. Proof's in the pudding. Oh, stop spinning. We got a bent out ice jig.
Shit, that's
now it's not even windy.
It's snowy and cold.
Justin's sunglasses just blew 100 feet down the lake because they got blown off his face.
What are you fishing, like 6?
5.5. Back to the wind, buddy, back to the wind. Like, where did this come from?
I don't know.
It came in heavy. Yeah, it did. It was so nice.
Oh my god, dude, look at the whiteout coming behind us, Kev.
I don't want to turn around. It's too...
Holy, it's rolling on us, dude.
I'm dead sticking it. Wow. Early season ice fishing, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
It was just so nice out, dude.
I know, like what the hell, man? It was like dead calm, nice in the sky. Weather comes in like a freight train. This is...
I hope that didn't scratch my sunglasses up a bunch. They were riding lens down, dude.
I know, and they were going so fast.
Those are $100.
This is hail, man.
Oh yeah. Good stuff.
Might want to put the camera away.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, weather's too gnarly. Camera's getting...
You can't see the... Dude. We're in the extreme.
This is real Canadian ice fishing.
It's hailing so hard.
You can't see anything, man.
Alright, camera's going away.
Pass me the scoop. Oh shit. A little bit of overflow on the lake.
You guys gonna use it? Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
That is super cool.
Oh, will he go down? No way.
Is he?
He's trying.
Push him back. There he goes. There he goes. He figured it out.
Nice.
Oh, he must be first. That was super cool. Dad's first fish of the day. Good release. Good release. You freaking let him back down the hole. Cameron had a fish up and he let it go back down the fucking hole. Oh, ice fishing.
Yeah, that's right. What have you been doing over there? Not catching shit.
That is true. My hole ain't doing nothing.
You can call me what you want, but you can't call me skunk.